Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Soul Seed Tarot. I'm back again after so long. Hope you all are doing well, happy, and healthy. Today, we are going to do a pick a card reading or a pick a pile reading. We are going to have two piles today. You can choose. You can choose any of these two cards and listen to your intuition, take your time, and try to choose a card that you are most drawn to. Feel free to watch both the piles. Please keep in mind these are going to be general readings. All the messages may or may not resonate with you. Please keep the ones that resonate and leave the rest. With that, let's start with pile number one. Pile number one. Wow, we have the devil card as your overall energies. Why so? Are you suffering from any issues or any addictions or maybe any hmm let's clarify. Is somebody overpowering you? Is somebody taking advantage of you? Let's see what the exact issue is. Okay, all the cards are in reverse. Anyways, reverse doesn't mean any bad message, but yeah, let's see. You have an idea, but you're not sure how to move forward. There is lack of planning, and of course, you have a little bit fear of the unknown, what the future holds for you. You don't know that. There is somebody who is not in talking terms with you, or somebody who is trying to sabotage this whatever you're trying to achieve. And six of wands in reverse, though this person is not happy for you, you still have achieved something and you're not revealing it because you know there are some hidden haters. And we have a king of cups in reverse. All this cycle is somehow affecting your emotions. There is a little bit imbalance in your emotions currently. We have six of pentacles in reverse at the bottom of the deck, and this definitely clarifies the whole spread for you. You have to do some self care, and you have to do you have to show yourself some compassion. You have to believe in yourself, and even if somebody is trying to sabotage your work or your efforts, you have to have faith in God and universe. Moving on, let's see. Let me clarify further what the exact situation is. Okay, let's not put it as I'm wishing somebody bad or wishing some bad omen for somebody. No, it's not like that. It's just this is the message that I'm getting from this spread. You're you are really under some control, okay, and you are working hard to achieve your goals. You are getting successful as well. Still, let's see. There is a three of swords. There is an ace of cups, both in reverse. There is a queen of swords. There is a six of swords in reverse. Okay, what will be the coincidence and what will be the. We have a ten of cups in reverse. Okay, what will be exactly the coincidence that this thing happens? That queen of swords is again clarified by queen of swords, both in reverse. Six of wands in reverse, six of swords in reverse. Okay, First off, pile one, this is a tough journey that you're going through, but you are currently feeling a little bit exhausted. You are trying to move on from that, and you will be successful in that. You are moving into calmer waters. You will be able to fix this situation. You will recover from this. We have a three of swords in reverse. Three of swords in reverse generally signifies that you are recovering from a tough cycle, some heartbreak, some pain, some failure. You did not take this as a good achievement, but still you put yourself forward, you worked hard to gain some success, and you are going to recover from that. Okay, what I sense, pile one, is I'm not sure if it is your business, finance, or your love situation. Whatever the situation is, the answer is very clear. You have to relax for a little bit. Take some time out for yourself, like spend some me time. Okay, spend some me time and try if you can get some clarification, some answers from your inner self. Ask questions to your inner self. You cannot play a victim card here. Okay, somebody is there to sabotage you, your work, your efforts. I get that completely. You cannot get exhausted by that, and you are emotionally imbalanced right now. We have an ace of cups in reverse, that with the king of cups in reverse, it clearly indicates there is a emotional imbalance. You are not sharing your emotions with anybody. You are lacking a foresight. You don't see what you will do in the future. You're just dealing with this situation right now, dealing with this person right now. This person is cold, bitchy. This person is in their feminine energy. Doesn't matter if it is a male figure or a female figure. They are trying to influence you. They are talking behind your back. Still, they are sugarcoating their words to you. They want you to follow their words. They want you to devote yourself to them. Like, listen to their advice, work on whatever they are suggesting. They want you to follow what they are saying. That is the actual issue. Somebody is trying to control you. We have the devil card as the overall energy for you. So somebody is actually trying to control you, control your emotions, control your future, your life, your journey, everything. Somebody is trying to control that. I'm not sure what their intentions are. Maybe it is for good, like parents control their kids. It is for good only. Some parents do control their kids. So, like, let's suppose somebody's child, maybe this person is not even a teenager, or even in teenage, this kid is trying to spoil themselves, spend money, spend time with friends, and waste their time with friends, to be precise. But their parents are trying to control them. This is a good thing. It's not always a bad thing. But this controlling behavior hurts the teenager or the kid. This situation could be like that, or it could be simply that somebody is jealous of you, somebody is really cold hearted towards you, and they don't want you to succeed. I'm not sure of the situation. You may be aware of the situation, who this person is, and if you could identify this person, or if you could relate with the situation. From this spread, what I get is, you know this person, who that is. That is why you are struggling. You're fighting to come out of this situation, out of this control freak. That is why you are hiding your personal goals, personal milestones that you have achieved. We have got the Lovers card for you in reverse, and that again signifies, I'll keep it here, that again signifies an imbalance in your emotions. Maybe if you are in a relationship, you really need to. Oh, okay. If you are facing this kind of challenge in your relationship, it is a clear message, a clear advice for you is to listen to your intuition and talk to your person. If you value this relationship, if you value your person, go and talk to this person. Share your feelings, your emotions with this person. Just open up to this person, because I sense there is still love, respect, and value from both the sides. But you both are not on talking terms. We have a Ten of Cups in reverse as well at the bottom of the deck. Two of Swords, you're not seeing the things clearly. You're not, there is a misunderstanding between you and your person. You don't know what to do now. You don't know how to get things clarified from this person. Why you're not seeing things clearly? Because you yourself is so much emotionally imbalanced. That is why it is advised for you to take some time out for yourself and listen to your intuition and try to get it clarified from yourself. As I said, ask question to yourself how you want to fix it, what exactly you want, your heart wants. Page of Wands, try to choose a path. If you want to fix the situation with this person, or if you just want to go back to being single, if you want to go away from this person, you have to choose a path. We have the first card, Two of Wands in reverse. You have to have a clear plan, a strategy. Life doesn't go by your rules if you don't put in efforts. That is why I try to take some time out. Okay, pile one, that's all I had for you. If it resonated, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will now move on to pile number two. Pile number two, whoever chose this deck. Wow, we have a Queen of Cups as your overall energies. Hmm. Either you are in your Queen of Cups energy, or somebody around you is in their Queen of Cups energy. Wow, we have a Queen of Pentacles as well. Okay. Why there are so many queens? Okay. You're holding some kind of power right now. Okay, I don't know how to hide it. Okay, for now, I'll just keep it here. Okay. I don't feel like taking these. I got absent mind. Okay. Hmm. You're holding some power right now. Somebody is very caring, very nurturing. Somebody has a stable energy who understands things, who understands a relationship. You're very intuitive right now. You're being very practical as well. There is a complete balance between your emotions and your practicality, means your logic. Your brain and your heart are on the same page. Your brain and heart are in alignment. You, whatever your heart wants, your brain wants the same thing. You're so happy, yet you're so down to earth. There are butterflies in your stomach, still you are behaving as a mature person, as an adult, as a grown up. You're handling any situation very carefully. You're taking care of yourself, you're taking care of your family as well. Maybe it is just your partner, your feminine or male or female, whatever it is. If somebody around, I don't think somebody is around you with this energy. This is solely your energy. You bring a lot of positive energy, positive vibe to other people's lives. People feel very comfortable with you. People share their emotions with you. You are very welcoming. You have a healing energy. Maybe you are a tarot reader as well, or you understand tarot, or you understand that you have a healing energy. People open up to you very often. They feel like you are a home or you are a secure person, you are a safe person to share their feelings. People feel like you bring positivity, good omen, like lucky charm. People feel like you are a lucky charm. Still, we have the lovers in reverse, we have the four of pentacles in reverse, we have the seven of cups. These are all your energies, but somebody around you is not in that energy. They are not that understanding. They don't communicate well. They don't share their feelings well. They want to say something, but they say the opposite thing to you. Communicating with this person is a challenge. You are saying something polite, but that person is saying something rude. They don't want to be that rude, but they don't know how to express their feelings. That is why they are making this situation very complicated. They are making it very difficult for you to talk to them. You are in a giving energy in this relationship. No matter what the other person says, what your partner says, you are showing that you are a grown up person. You're handling every situation like an old person who understands everything, who understands the other person as well. You're trying to understand this person, your partner. Even if they are saying something rude, you're trying to understand why they are being this rude. What is the issue? Did they misunderstand anything? You're trying to clarify all those misunderstandings. But I guess that's enough for you now. You may be trying to release yourself from this situation. You want to leave this person behind because you want to protect yourself. We have the King of Cups, we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse. You want to leave a situation in order to keep yourself safe, protected. You are okay to, how do I put it? Like, even if you have to give up on something to leave this person behind, you are somehow in this situation, you are ready to do that. I love your energy here. Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. You understand this person. That is very good. But you care for yourself as well. This is like, not every people does that. Not everyone does that. No, no, like it's very difficult when you are in a relationship and the other person doesn't understand you and they don't value you. The other person gets, like, if you are in a relationship and your partner doesn't understand you, they don't value you, they always, there is a misunderstanding, always there is a fight, and this person gets so much drained with that. This person puts in all efforts, at the end this person only suffers. They move on to another relationship or something else in their life, but this is the person who suffers, who is really understanding. But here in your energy, you understand your value as well. There is boundaries. You have put boundaries between you and this person. How much disrespect, how much toxicity you can take. If this person is exceeding that, you're ready to move on. Even if you have to leave something behind, you're ready to move on. You know you will get other offers, other opportunities. There are people to take care of you, to support you. Even if this strong energy of self care and healing energy is going to vanish one day, I hope that doesn't happen. But even if this just reduces one day, you know there are people who will support you, your friends, your family. They will be your backbone and they will not let you get into depression or a tough cycle. You know that. That is your strength. Your friends, your family, whosoever this person is, or whosoever those persons are who can support you emotionally, mentally. You value that, you understand that. Wow, pile two. I feel you're a very mature person. You're really understanding. You understand this person, your partner, you understand yourself, your value, your self respect, you understand your family and friends as well. That is very good. It's unique, it's a unique ability. Huh. Two of wands in reverse, we have 10 of pentacles in reverse, and we have two of swords. Okay, you have to, first off, you have to see things clearly for yourself. Okay, what you really want. Though you have a very good understanding, there is a little bit confusion in you. What you want to do next, how you want to handle it. Maybe something you're not seeing, maybe something you're not realizing. Okay, try to find that. Take your time and prepare a strategy. I don't know how to say, but pile 1 also had two of wands in reverse. Pile 2 also have that. Pile 1 also had two of swords. Pile 2 also have that. Try to find out a balance. Try to find out how you can settle this dust. Prepare a plan, prepare a strategy before talking to this person, before addressing this issue. Don't just go to your person and say what the exact issue is and how you want to fix it. Don't just go there blindly. First, prepare something, how they will react, what they will say, what they will ask, how you are going to handle it. Prepare something and then go to your person and let's see, let's try if you can fix it. Okay? Just make sure that you don't take all the burden on yourself. Always the person who is very understanding and mature has the all the responsibility on their shoulders. Don't take all the responsibility on your shoulders. Okay, we have the 10 of wands here. You're taking a lot of responsibilities and you're taking, like, it is like you're driving this relationship and the other person is just trying to do something else. We have 4 of swords. You have to relax for a bit. Okay, I know, I can understand, you have shown a lot of maturity, but now you want to leave this person, leave this situation. Why? Because you are somehow losing your patience. I sense that you're somehow losing your patience. You're somehow questioning if you are doing the right thing or not. Yeah, we have 9 of swords in reverse. Okay, pile 2, let me tell you. We have the page of wands. Pile 2, let me tell you. First off, relax. The 4 of swords says that you have to relax for a little bit. Don't think about anything. Don't think about this person, this situation. Nothing. Don't think about even yourself. Just give yourself a break for 1 to 2 days. Just enjoy life. Just enjoy the present moment. I'm not saying like go and party and everything. If you are really worried and you are buried under tension and you are very much under pressure, you cannot just go and do party, right? But enjoy means take some time out and just chill. Don't talk to anybody. Don't overthink about this relationship. Just take a sip of coffee and relax. At least enjoy nature. Forget about everything. All the responsibility you're taking. You're feeling like all the burdens are on your shoulders. You are in charge. You have to take care of everything. You are the one who is handling everything. Okay, give yourself a rest. Okay, trust in God. Trust in universe. There is God and universe who can handle all the situations. Don't overburden yourself. Don't over pressurize yourself. Just enjoy for a moment. Take a break. Simply take a break. This will help you heal yourself. You already have a healing energy. You can heal others. If you don't know, let me tell you. Trust me. This spread already tells me that you have a healing energy. Use that to heal yourself. Take a break. You will be able to heal yourself. Then do what? We have a page of wands at the bottom of the deck. Then try to take a decision. What exactly you want? What is needed? What your intuition says? What your brain says? Can you take this up? Take this much responsibility? Can you take all this misunderstanding anymore or not? Before taking any action. Okay, just relax for few days. Then think, question yourself, and try to get an answer. Okay, pile 2, I okay, pile 2, I really hope it resonated, and if it resonated, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please tell your friends and family as well to subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for joining. Bye bye.